Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banner on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of banner on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to Clash of Clans. Here you can go to force stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about Clash of Clans. If you will find your update in this plus sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.